please don't like, forget about it. Please do like. This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano. And today, we're not making a traditional Italian dish, we're making an American Italian dish called chicken parmesan, but with a twist. Because I'm making it with a vodka sauce and fresh mozzarella. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network and to Cookin' in Brooklyn. And remember, there ain't no harm in chicken parm. Forget about it.
Hey, go Bridgeside.
Let's get to the ingredients. We got some chicken, some fresh mozzarella, heavy cream, tomato sauce, breadcrumbs, butter, some parsley for garnishing, eggs, and let's not forget, some vodka. Ching ching. All right, cominciamo. Dave, pass me those eggs.
No problem.
We'll start off with that. All right, let's break these eggs.
Finally a help in the kitchen.
You're always a great help, Dave. You're underrated, just like the chicken parmesan. All right, so let's beat the eggs.
It's nice, you beat them up a little bit, you get all the aggression out of the day.
I will let you know though, I do have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. All right, so the eggs, we're good. Bring over our chicken and our breadcrumbs. Now I already got our cooking oil in there, so let's put that on. All right, so let's grab our chicken and dip it right into the egg.
Good, nice little bath.
Right into the breadcrumb. Grab our other chicken. Do the same thing. Our oil's hot because I can hear it talking to us right now. We're gonna place chicken cutlet right into the oil.
And do you fully cook it in there?
Yeah, you cook it in there. You fully cook it in there. Why wouldn't you cook the chicken cutlets fully?
It's gonna bake.
So what? You gotta cook. You make chicken cutlets, don't they cook?
This is why I eat and I don't cook.
All right. So while the chicken cutlets are cooking, I'm gonna grab this tomato sauce, which I just made before. Did it very simple. Just sauteed a little olive oil, garlic, threw the tomato sauce right in, warmed it up for about 20 minutes. We're gonna reheat it right now. All right, so these cutlets are done. Shut the flame. Put them over here. Throw them right into this dish. We're gonna grab another piece of paper towel. Get rid of some of that grease. So we're gonna put these to the side for now. Dave, are we safe here? Are you gonna behave? Can I trust you?
I can neither confirm nor deny.
I trust you. Let's grab the butter. Throw our butter in. Then we're gonna grab our tomato sauce. Then we're gonna grab our vodka. David?
Oh, cheers.
Salud.
It's not the good stuff.
Mix that up. And then we're gonna grab our heavy cream. So now we're just gonna let this cook for a few minutes and our vodka sauce is ready to go.
I think I'm ready to go after that vodka. Now what do?
We wait.
Not fast enough.
Nothing's ever fast enough for you.
Well, you just raise the heat a little bit.
How high you want me to put this thing?
As high as it goes. Hey Dan, I think that vodka sauce is done already.
Oh, now you're taking my job. So the vodka sauce is ready. Let's shut the flame.
See what they do to me?
And now we're gonna grab the fresh mozzarella. He's happy because he knows he's getting a piece. All right, and we're gonna cut that up. Yeah, first one. The ass piece for the ass. Here you go.
The ass is the best part.
And let's bring this tray over here. Over here. And we're gonna spread some of this vodka sauce right onto the tray. All right, so let's grab the chicken.
See, I've been a good boy. I didn't even touch it.
Very proud of you, Dave, very proud. Put that right on top. There you go, Dave. Teamwork. Then we're gonna grab our vodka sauce and we're gonna throw that right on top.
It's nice. I like how you leave a little bit exposed, you know? You don't drown it in the sauce.
So let's put our mozzarella on top. And the final step, we're gonna throw this right into the oven. Now we're gonna leave it in the oven until the mozzarella melts. And Dave, you gotta wait again.
It's all right, those few pieces of cheese are holding me over.
It's gonna be worth it, Dave. All right, so the mozzarella is melted. We are done, oven off. And we got action. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks good. We got action, baby. Let's grab you a dish, Dave. All right, and let's plate this. Look at that, huh? Forgot about it, Dave. Cheesy heaven over here.
Help you out a little bit.
Do your dust, do your job, Dave. Unbelievable. And then Dave, we're gonna add a little bit of parsley just for garnish and make it look pretty. And add a little bit of flavor too. And there you have it, chicken parmesan with vodka sauce and fresh mozzarella. And now it's time to feed Bridgeside's disposal unit, Mr. Casanova. Buon appetito.
Exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dispose of this right now. I've been eyeing this little piece over here since you put it in the oven. You know, I like it's a different take on chicken parmesan. As always, it adds a little spontaneity in the dish, you know?
I got no idea what the hell that means, Dave.
Don't worry about it. And I wonder what the Milano say back home about this dish.
Che schifo. To them, this isn't their cup of tea. They don't like this kind. It's a very American Italian dish. That's what I'm telling you. You're never gonna see this in Italy, but it is good. We grew up on stuff like this. Not with the vodka sauce. We always, we're always changing it up, but I mean, it's delicious. It really is. I wouldn't order it in a restaurant, but at home, definitely make it.
That's why, this is the type of dish you don't really order in a restaurant. That's why you make it. It's so easy. That vodka sauce is perfect.
Here at Cookin in Brooklyn, in my kitchen, we won't ever tell you to lay off the sauce.
Go Bridgeside.
Guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network and to Cookin in Brooklyn. Thank you.